scared.
Won't you come?
We're here at Enchanted. It's Kapuso Day for GMA, so I'm with this lady. Her name is Kylie. Na-upload ko na yung vlog natin kagabi. So, hindi pa nagpapapasok sa loob na Enchanted. Dito muna kami sa tent para malamig. Magandang Sabado ng umaga sa inyong lahat mga kapuso. Narito na naman po tayo, Paul.
Yes, of
course. Sa isang episode ng Pinoy MD.
Teka lang.
Oo, so, ayun, ang daming tao. Pupunta kami sa entrance ngayon. At ito ating segment na to po ay tungkol sa healthy passion.
Yes, of course. This is active fun with the Pinoy MD people.
Yes, so bukod sa maglalakad kayo, maganda yan sa heart cardio yan.
Yes, of
Ano
course.
pang pwede natin benepisyo sa activity na to po?
And ito, since it's sunny day today, of course, it's perfect for our body.
Yeah, pero dapat magsa-sunblock tayo mga kapuso dahil mainit. So,
Tama
kung natin palagaling to po, pasok na tayo sa loob.
Alright, let's
I'll
go.
see you. Kumpanyan ba tayo? Ang una naming sasakyan ay Rio Grande. Para mabasa kami kasi mainit. Ito nga pala si Kim, aming researcher.
Yung headroom natin di kita eh.
Oo nga, takad kasi niya mga kapuso. Oo nga, pareho kaming takot sa ride, si Paul. So yung mga kasama namin, sasakay muna sila doon. At ano lang kami, Bantayan Island lang kami here. Try kami ng 7D ride. May bayad 100. Tignan natin kung ay, ang gulo ng buhok. Dito tayo kayo sa likod. Pero yes, there's Ice Monster. This is my arm party for today. These are eyelet bracelet from my mom when she went to Greece, and these are just from Forever 21. So balloon stick. Stick lang ba? Ay, sorry. Ay, madulas. Oo, hirap. Ang hirap pala. Nahulog lag! I'm just here waiting for my friends. Nagsakay sila sa Jonghalag Jam. And here's the big guy. Look at those kissable lips, diba? Parang sarap apply ng liquid lipstick ng lips ni Kuya. Naghihintay, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung accessories ko. So, meron akong suot na earrings with feathers. Ito sa kabila, ganun din. Yung earrings ko, mahaba siya, and then may feathers sa baba. Bump car din tayo. Tara, punta na tayo doon sa bump car. Ano ba yung team na Enchanted?
Ha?
Anong team na Enchanted?
Wave ka. Hindi ko alam.
Wave, di ba parang yun? Here in Enchanted Kingdom, we've got it all for you.
SM Supermods, we've got it all for you.
It's a random dinosaur passing by. Saan? Saan kayo bibila?
Rio Grande ba muna?
Init? Wizard. Nag-aabang kami ng pila sa Rio Grande. para hindi kami masyadong tumila ng matagal. Go, KK!
Hindi mo siya makapaano.
It's harder than it looks like, guys. Ang hirap na!
May 120 pieces. Yes.
Para sa pagmamahal sa Rio Grande.
Mayaman na.
Nakapila kami may payong kasi sobrang. So, failed kami sa Rio Grande. Because they're under maintenance.
Kaya biglang bumaba.
Forever, for all of my life, you are the one.
Mga kapuso, narito tayo sa Enchanted Kingdom, Midway Boardwalk. Kung saan pupunta tayo sa Extreme Ride. Okay? So, let's go! Pasmo!
I want this Eldor.
Nakatusuko nila. Yan po, yung mga may star po na.
So this is my outfit for the day. My headband is from Webthreads, my friend's Instagram account na nagko-crochet. And then my top is from Divisoria for 150. My shades is Ray-Ban. At ang color niya Old Rose. Tapos yung mga bracelet ko naman, my mom got this for me in Greece. My rings are from Forever 21. And the shorts I got from Bangkok. Tapos Keds lang na white sneaks. Very light. Tapos yung backpack ko, my favorite backpack, Burberry backpack. Bye mga kapuso! On our way to
Tagaytay!
Kapuso, nandito kami ngayon sa Mahogany, Tagaytay, Baho.
Yeah, pero worth it to later dahil masarap ang bulalo dito sa Tagaytay. Miss, papayta miss.
Team Cat, bulalo-bulalo.
Kaming ring saging.
Go to Betty's here sa Mahogany. May libreng maliliit na saging.
Yan na. Legal for you.
Anong year niya? Anong batch niya?
I'm on a payphone trying to call. So we got frustrated kasi nagbayad kami ng 500 pesos sa chicharon bulaklak dun sa kinainan namin. Hindi ko talaga ma-figure out bakit siya ganun kamahal. So para maibisan ang aming hinanakit, dito kami ngayon sa Twin Lakes. Tagaytay. Nice view. I'll show you. Sira yung construction.
Yes, isa pa ngayon nakagano.
Sige.
Oh, welcome to Tagaytay City. It's been a while since I went here. This was supposed to be the best Starbucks in the Philippines, they said, because of the view, right? But look, merong construction and it really destroyed everything. I mean, the view is still there, pero parang hindi na siya ganun. Oh, basic. Ay, ayan. Kita ko sa view. Ay, kur...
Mami ko soto ka dyan.
1, 2, 3.
Kanya-kanyang picture. This is my favorite tea. It's chai latte, vanilla, double vanilla. It's very good. So, now I'm gonna ask Paul if he likes his drink. So, nag-enjoy ka ba? How did you like this day?
Yes, of course. Very fulfilling.
How did you like the totality of what we did today?
If I'll rate 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, 9.9.
Oh, okay.
So what is perfect?
Yes, of course. I know that. So, what did you order?
That I do not know. I forgot.
You forgot already?
Yeah.
But is it good? Delicious?
Yeah, it tastes like heaven. Follow Martha Hante
On my YouTube channel.
on her YouTube. Cut mo na lang yan.
Go.
You follow Martha Hante on her YouTube channel. Teka na, ayaw mo ka. Ulit, last one. Follow Martha Hante on her... Follow Martha Hante on her YouTube channel. Alright.
Bye, mga kapuso! Hi guys, I just got home from Enchanted and it was a tiring day. Sobrang nakakapagod, sobrang init, pero enjoy naman. First time kong umattend ng family day ng GMA for the 6 years that I've been working there. So, ayos naman pala siya. Tsaka, sulit naman yung bonding with my co-workers and friends. So, yan. It's time for me to rest. And tomorrow is Father's Day. So, it's family day tomorrow. Good night.